Hey everyone, sorry here, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing some house cleaning and I have my clear cube here. Well, once was clear cube, but now it's so dingy and yucky. I've got to get it washed up so it could be clear again. Look at that. I haven't cleaned it in about a couple months now, and you know, you have to kind of clean it because the fingerprints on there get quite yucky. But this is where I store the majority of my makeup, and I would say it's a good piece of makeup storage, so it was worth all the hype about it. I'm totally glad that I was able to get it. So I'm just unloading in here, and I figured I brought it in the kitchen so I have more room to work around. And I'm just gonna unload my lipstick and wash it with some detergent and get it all cleaned up. And yeah, let's do it, guys. I don't think there's an easier way to clean it. You literally have to unpack it, wash it, let it dry, and then put everything back in there. That's what I found is the easiest thing to do. I don't know, what do you guys like recommend? I'm sure there's like better ways to do stuff out there that I have no idea of. Man, I literally have a few lipsticks. So these are like some extra ones. I think I got this at the Container Store or maybe Bed Bath & Beyond, one of those places. But it just sits on the top here and it's pretty to look at when it's actually clean. I just find that it gets so dusty in my condo. I don't know if it's because I'm close to the roadside, but it's like you would think I have not dusted since I moved here. But I have actually washed it a couple times, and I've been here about 2 years, so yeah, it's just really dusty. Or maybe that's just how things are always dusty, I don't know. I feel like I'm always dusting and it could never stay clean. Anyways, let's get to the washing of it. I'm just gonna start with the biggest piece first. Try to submerge it in here. I'm working with limited space, so in the past I've washed it in my bathtub. That's probably what I should have done, now that I'm thinking about the space out here. But today was you know, they're snowing in Atlanta, and I didn't go into work, although they were like, you need to come in. They were like, we will send someone for you and put you up in a hotel. So I'm actually on call tonight, so I may have to go in, which I don't want to do, but I will see how the night goes. If they would need me at 3 o'clock in the morning, we'll see. I'm quite annoyed with the call system that they have anyways. Just kind of get it all lathered up so you can get those handprints off there. And I think they did recommend to wash it with dishwashing liquid and not harsh chemicals, because maybe it will like disintegrate the material or something. I actually think I need another one of this, because I have other makeup that's just hanging out, and you know, I don't have enough space in this one. So yeah, let's get that bad boy rinsed, and then I'm gonna start with the drawers.
so bad.
Finally said it wasn't. Oh guys, I've finished the washing process of cleaning up this filthy clear cube, and I got a task of putting back all this makeup together so it can look presentable. There's some things you just want to outsource because it takes all kind of patience, and that's not a virtue I possess. I'm praying on it and it still hadn't come yet, you know. Okay guys, the process is coming along. It is actually a process. It's all washed. As you can see the watermarks, I have to manually dry it with some paper towel, and then once I get it back together, organized, I will stack it back on the top there where its new home is, since I got that IKEA thing. I love it so much now. I don't have all the makeup I used to have under there. That was so messy. So awesome guys, the task is over. My clear cube is clear again for the most part, and I kind of have it organized, and that but it's such a functional piece. It's pretty to look at when it's all clean, but you know, keep your stuff organized and you can actually see it and get to it and not have to like buy the same thing over and over, right? Yeah, so that was it. God, I got it cleaned finally. It looks so much better. I still have to organize my brushes. I just washed them, and I have this piece here that's just a smaller top thing, and over here I have my perfume, guys. Someone was asking for a perfume collection. I think I made you one, because that's some of my perfume. I have some more over here on my where I put my shoes. Anyways, I don't want this video to be too long, so yes guys, thumbs up for this kind of video if you guys like such kind of organizational cleaning and me looking all housemaid-ish videos. Let me know and I will actually do more of them, right? I'm also thinking of doing like a house or a condo tour. I haven't done that since I moved here, and I've been here about 2 years now, so I'm kind of settled in for the most part, and I've done whatever I'm gonna do to the place. So let me guys know in the comments below if you guys want to see that. All right, bye everyone.